This is OUKITEL RT8, and today I will show how to capture and manage screenshots on this device. In the beginning, let me show you all available screenshotting methods. So first, simultaneously press volume down and power keys. Then you can also open your control panel, expand it, and here look for the screenshot shortcut. Here it is, tap on it, and as you can see the screenshot gets taken as well. Next, there is also additional third method to take a screenshot, which you need to separately enable. So go into your tablet settings, then System, Gestures, 3 fingers screenshot, and switch it on. And now you can take a screenshot by making the following 3 finger down gesture. Next, in order to take a scrolling screenshot, all that you gotta do is take a regular one, doesn't matter which particular method you will go with, and then simply tap at the Capture More button, and here select how much more you would like to capture, and then save the result. Once you capture a screenshot, you can see this little miniature appearing to the bottom left. This button allows you to share your screenshot right away. This button allows you to start editing it. If needed, you can mark it up, you can crop it, make a partial screenshot this way if necessary, and so on. As you can see, there are quite a lot of adjustments you can make here. Now, in order to find your screenshots, simply open the Gallery app, go into Albums or Folders, and as you can see, all your screenshots are getting saved into their separate Screenshots folder, so you will find them here. And well, as far as the screenshotting goes on this tablet, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.